How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2024 Buick Encore GX that we just got in. I'm gonna make a quick video, go over all the features and everything like that. So let's hop right into it. And starting up front, the paint is gonna be the Moonstone Gray. Right here, you're gonna have some running day LEDs. Right down here, you're also gonna have your headlights. Redesigned front end by Buick. Looks really nice and really sleek. And taking a walk along the side of the car now. Right down here, you got some 18-inch wheels with some really well-equipped tires, matched with the vehicle's all-wheel drive system. You're gonna be able to take on winter with confidence and just take on the road. Right here, you're gonna have your side markers. It's gonna have blind spot monitoring so that if a car is in your blind spot, a little orange car will highlight and let you know that a car is in your blind spot. But just getting a better look at the whole vehicle and this paint color. Right up here, or right with the door handles, you're gonna get keyless remote entry to get inside. And right up here, you're gonna have some rain strips, some weather strips, so that if you roll the window down while it's raining, rain won't fall into the car. And finishing off our exterior walkthrough before we hop in the interior, we're gonna end off back here with the tailgate. Really nice taillight design. You have the all red taillights. Also, Buick's logo is also really nice. They did a whole redesign with their cars, some of the logos, all that. But to get to the tailgate and open it up, there's a button under here, or on the key fob, you hit twice, pop it open, and you can see just how much space is back here. You have a nice privacy cover so that no one can see, looking and see what's in your trunk. But fold this up, you have a little more storage, but you also have your spare tire. And if you would like to have more storage capacity, you can actually fold the seats down 40-60 split to give you the maximum storage capacity back here. And starting with the interior, with the back seat, you're gonna get a nice leather and cloth seat arrangement back here, but also in the front seat, which I'll show in a second. The interior is gonna be all black. You are gonna get kind of a tan with the roof, but really nice looking interior. You also have some nice carpets, really easy to pull out and clean if need be. Also storage behind the passenger front seats. Finishing off now with the front seat, like I said, nice leather and cloth seating up here. Coming to the steering wheel, it is going to be leather stitched, have a bunch of buttons to control cruise control, make calls, end calls, switch between some of the settings and the dashboard. But speaking of this dashboard, you have the dashboard and the infotainment system connected in this one big long screen. It looks really nice, and I love how it works with the body or with the line of the whole dashboard. It looks really nice. It creates a modern feel inside the car. But with the infotainment system, you're going to get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, radio, a whole bunch more. Some of the settings to kind of make the car your own. Set the audio how you want it, everything like that. Some of the ambient lighting as well. Below that, you're going to have your cluster for the climate control and setting all that. You're going to have some space down here with some plugins. Obviously your shifters right here, and a little more storage with the cup holders, storage right here. And it is a kind of a smaller center console, but you still get a bunch of storage down here as well. You can lift it up and get the whole feel of it. And if you have any more questions, or you think that this might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.